We've had good luck driving all the ground posts, except for them last 4 up there. We poured some water down in and tried to soften the ground up a little bit there. But where we dug off all the topsoil to make it level, it's down to hard slate now. But all the others, they went down good. We'll show you the next step. We gotta, after we finish driving them down, we'll have to put the hoops together. And then tomorrow in the morning, I'm gonna bring the backhoe back down here and smooth that out a little bit inside. And then we'll start putting it together, Lord willing. Alrighty folks, you can see it's starting to take shape. Yesterday we got the baseboards put on and we got the 4 corners done. By the way, this is from Farmer's Friend. Super nice people, folks. When we unloaded the stuff the other day, we did have one of the double channels that was messed up, but I contacted them and Lord, within 3 days we had it. Like I said, super nice people. Customer service there. The 2 I've talked to is Paul and Mandy, I believe is her name. Super nice people. Everything so far, everything comes laid out. You just start putting together like a kit. Well, like a model. And everything's marked. And when you first get it, get your packing list and just go down through and checking off everything. But no, so far everything has went good. Wished I'd kind of ordered it 2 weeks earlier with what the weather they're giving coming up. But once we get this up, I'll show you, give you details of what we've got in our mind anyway, how we're going to do inside here. And today we're going to be putting up the double channel down through there. And then also, I was just looking, I seen Mom and Dad going down the road. What we'll be doing is putting up all the channel for the wiggle wire today. Or that's our hopes anyway. I ain't going to say plan. But that's what I'd like to try to get accomplished today. And then we'll have to find a good warm day to... There ain't no taters there, honey. Nope, no taters there. But no, we'll show you once we get done today. Bring you back up here and show you what we got done today. We'll see you in a little bit, folks. Hello, folks. It's going to be a short video today. Today's Monday for you all. Here comes little Dixie. We've got the frame and everything done. We're just waiting for a warm, non-windy day. Put the plastic up, and then we'll get the sides done there. It'll have the roll-up sides. We've got the 4 corners done there on those. It was a little bit cold that one day we done that one. We'll have to probably undo the wiggle wire, and hopefully you can hear me over them goats a squalling. It's about time to get them put up for the evening. But no, we're slowly but surely working on it. I'll take you up here inside. I'll show you there. We've got to get the end walls fixed. you got those, I'll show you one over here that I've got on the ground. That's what you can attach your lumber to for making your end walls. Let me come over here, I'll get you one to show you. Right there, and then you can attach your lumber with bolts, screws, lag bolts, whatever. And then we're just going to put 2 regular doors in it, 36-inch doors. But no, I wished I'd have kind of ordered this maybe a week or 2 earlier than I did. Oh well, it'll work out. Now I'll take you down here and show you. Nothing happens. This right here, Wednesday we'll uncover it and plant our garlic. In this section here, we'll show you us doing that there. This evening we'll work on getting the garlic cloves busted up there. Alrighty, if you would please keep Miss Shelby in your prayers. She's got a doctor's appointment this week. I believe it's on the 6th. And also please keep her brother in your prayers. And another one of our subscribers, Karen Brewer, if you would keep her in your prayers. You eating some grass, little Dixie? Stomach messed up. But now if you would. And Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday for What's for Supper Wednesday this week. I hope you all have a blessed week, and we'll see you Nothing Happens Wednesday. Like I said, this here is just going to be a short video, just giving you the progress, what we've got done so far on the high tunnel. Alrighty, hope you all have a blessed week. Stay safe, Lord willing, see you Wednesday.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holman's Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.